Rolling in Clover, unveiling the joyful phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, roll in the clover. This expression is not just about the literal act of rolling in a field of clover but carries a deeper, more joyful meaning. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of this picturesque expression. Roll in the clover is an idiomatic expression used to describe a state of luxury, comfort, or enjoyment. It paints a picture of someone being so happy and content that they are metaphorically rolling around in a field of clover, which is often seen as a symbol of good luck and prosperity. When someone says they're rolling in the clover, they're usually experiencing a great deal of success or happiness. The phrase, roll in the clover, has its roots in the agricultural and pastoral imagery common to many cultures, where clover is considered a sign of fertile land and good fortune. This expression likely evolved from the idea of animals rolling in clover fields, appearing to be in a state of bliss. Over time, it has been adopted into the English language as a metaphor for experiencing good fortune or living in a state of comfort. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like roll in the clover into your language can add color and depth to your conversations. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Describing success, after his novel became a bestseller, he's been rolling in the clover. Expressing happiness, I feel like I'm rolling in the clover whenever I spend time with my family. Talking about comfort, retiring early and moving to the countryside was their dream. Now, they're truly rolling in the clover. Remember, idioms like this are best used in informal settings and can help convey emotions and situations in a vivid and relatable way. Understanding and using phrases like roll in the clover can enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video has shed light on this delightful expression, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about embracing the beauty of its idioms and expressions. See you in the next video.